holly hop. Mistletoe hung where you can see every couple tries to stop. Rocking around the Christmas tree, let the Christmas spirit ring. Later we'll have some pumpkin pie.
Rocking around the winter tree at the frosty party hop. Candles glow and where you can see every heart begins to stop. Rocking around the winter tree, let the joyful laughter ring. Later we'll taste that apple pie and we'll raise our voices high. You will feel a gentle feeling when you hear voices singing, time for cheering. Trim the lights and spread good healing. Rocking around the winter tree, have a lovely holiday. Everyone's dreaming cheerfully.